Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to manage noise modes on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And for that, we will need to open this Galaxy wearable app and make sure that your earbuds are connected to this app and to your phone as well. Here you will see the name of your device and the battery status. And now right in the first tab you can see noise modes. We have here 4 modes of ambient sound, adaptive and active noise cancelling. So to switch between those modes, you need to put at least one earbud in your ear and make pinch and hold gesture. Here you can see the controller and this black line. You would need to pinch and hold it together like that to switch between modes. So I'm just gonna put this earbud in my ear and show you how this works. And we just switch to ambient sound. Let's just do it once more and we turn it off. So to switch to the active noise cancelling, we will need to put both earbuds in the ears and you can see that it is automatically switched to the active noise cancelling. Let's just make this pinch gesture once more and we switch to ambient sound. If you want to switch to adaptive as well, you will need to go in the earbuds controls. Here in the pinch and hold controls, you will need to go in the left, select switch noise controls and include adaptive and off, for example. Let's just go back and make this pinch and hold gesture once more. So I'm just gonna pinch and hold and we switch to the active noise cancelling. Let's pinch and hold again and here is the adaptive mode. And once more, ambient sound, and let's turn everything off. And this is how it works. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.